Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, today we're going to be repairing a drawer. So this is a drawer for my wife's desk, right? And I pulled it out to look for a phone charger. I noticed that the bottom shelf was gapped out like this, the bottom part. And I was like, okay, that's not good. So I pulled the drawer out, and the back wasn't even there. It was way back underneath the desk still. So I'm like, okay, yep, need to fix this one. So the fix is pretty easy most of the time. So we're gonna go ahead and take that bottom out all the way. All right, so now we got the face and the two sides. Now every drawer is built a little bit differently, okay? Now this one here, the sides go directly into the face. Some of them kind of have a complete box, and then the face screws onto that front part of the box right here, the front board. And if that's the case, a lot of times that they maybe just put a couple staples in it and it fell off. So putting a couple screws that don't go too far all the way through the face would be a great fix for that drawer, okay? Now this drawer is different. And so our tool to fix it is going to be some wood glue. Now I've got Gorilla Glue here. It doesn't matter if it's Gorilla Glue or Elmer's wood glue or not. It should be a wood glue. So this is a wood glue, Elmer's wood glue, and then there's like Titebond and stuff like that. So just get yourself, I'll have some Amazon links in the description down below for some good stuff so you guys can pick it out, all right? So right here, I want to check it, and it's still pretty snug to the face. I'm not gonna try to rip it off and redo that. I probably will drip a little bit of glue in between here, so hopefully it like feeds itself in between there, and it just helps hold it so it can't come apart again. But right now, I'm not gonna try to tear it apart, make it worse. Okay, now first of all, let's cover up our countertop a little bit. I wish I had some cardboard box or paper, or a newspaper, I'm sorry, but I've got paper towels, so that'll just have to do, because I don't want the glue into the countertop. Okay, and I'll use these paper towels again after I'm done. I'm not just gonna throw them away, so it won't be wasteful. So new bottles of glue, make sure there's no seal on the bottle so that we can actually squirt it out when we're ready here. So here's the bottom shelf. So what we're gonna do, hopefully you can see this in the camera like that, is this groove that's been cut for that to fit in, we're just gonna put some glue in it. A nice bead, but nothing too crazy. You don't want to be filling it up all the way. I just put a nice solid, line across there. You put too much and it's just going to squirt a whole bunch out. I just don't want to drip all the stuff out of the face while I'm tipping it. Okay, it is dripping on me, but that's okay. And I'll tip it down. We're just gonna slide. Since these sides, you don't want to try to stretch them open very far, because if we stretch them open real far, then we'll probably just break loose what little is holding it together so far. Okay, so I've got it tight. It's in the groove. Okay, see, so it's not going anywhere. And then on the back side, on the bottom side, you can see a little bit of glue that's come through. Okay, gotta make sure it's tight. Okay, so at this point, everything's tight. We're going to check our glue mess. I actually missed the paper towel there, or when I flipped it over. And on the inside as well. Okay. I'm not too worried about the bottom and the back side. Now this one here has been dovetailed out, okay? Not quite. Some dovetails are a little more angled. These are square cut. All right, but you can see there's the groove. It's gonna fit for the bottom shelf. Okay. So we're gonna definitely put some glue here. And then the hard part is to get some glue on these notches as well. And again, don't go overboard there. I'm trying to put it like right there on the edge. So it not only, when I squeeze it together, it won't only glue on the face, but inside the grooves as well. So I'm trying to get it to adhere to as many surfaces as I can. Okay, wiping off excess glue as we go. All right, so you can see the drawer is put back together. And I did want to add a little bit of glue. I know I said I didn't really care about the back side and the bottom so much, but I am just trying to get some of the excess glue up so it doesn't, you know, just glue to everything. I did want to put a little bit of glue against the face, so maybe it would droop in. And help hold it so it doesn't come apart in the future. Now this part here, wood glue needs to be held together tight for it to really work. It's not like an epoxy resin or something like that that you can use to fill gaps with. So I don't have big wood clamps, you know, and I work with wood a decent amount, but I just don't because I'm not really a furniture guy. I imagine most of you people watching this aren't furniture people that have really big clamps. So I've got painter's tape, and I find that this, over the years, this actually works really good. So we're just gonna wrap it around, pulling it tight together. But like this is great because it'll keep it tight together, all right? The glue will dry, give it about 24 hours. Take the tape off and it should be ready to use. Okay, so I really hope that helps you guys see how easy this project can be and inspire you guys to fix some of these drawers that are falling apart in your home. As you see, just a couple bucks worth of glue, a couple bucks worth of tape, and you can fix a whole bunch of drawers. And they really should work just about like new when you're done. So if you wouldn't mind, please take a moment, subscribe to my channel, because I've always got new videos coming out all the time. Check out my website, which has hundreds of my videos organized really well for you to find them. And there's another video for you to watch as well. Thanks again.